Stick mixers are mainly used for soups and smoothies. They're the key uses, certainly in Australia and the States. We've looked at a lot of consumers and seen that they're having a couple of key problems with stick mixers. People are generally holding stick mixers in some very strange ways because they haven't been designed for the hand. So it was a really simple thing that we've done in our first innovation. We took this idea pretty much from the hardware industry, from a cordless drill. So it's a simple trigger grip now that controls your stick mixer. The other key innovation is to do with suction. I've got one of our old stick mixers here, and if there's any suction, it's going to be most noticeable through water. And I can pick that beaker up just by itself through the suction. So you can imagine breaking that suction is what will spit your hot pumpkin soup all over yourself or the kitchen. So what we've done is a nice redesign of the blade system and actually incorporated a couple of ribs, and all that's really doing is breaking that suction. So it's giving you the control of the stick mixer rather than the stick mixer controlling you. I'm just going to make a pumpkin soup in here. The lid also doubles as a base. If I want a little bit lumpier pumpkin soup, I've got the control of the power without the suction. So you just blend that to the consistency you want. And then the addition of some finely chopped herbs, we've designed a nice mini processor. It's obviously super simple to use. Pumpkin soup with some freshly chopped herbs. Simple.